fitness test, we need to understand some basic terms which are body composition, weight, and height. In physical fitness test, it's designed to measure the different physical fitness components. This is commonly done in educational institution as part of the physical education's curriculum. By doing so, we get to know the physical fitness test goals and performing the different tests to measure the physical fitness.
Before we go on further with the physical fitness test, we must first recognize all the goals of this physical fitness test. Number 1, for us to determine the level of fitness. Number 2, to identify the strengths and areas for development and improvement. Number 3, to identify basis for physical activity. Number 4, gather and analyze for norms and standardization. And lastly, to motivate and guide in choosing sports and activities. By doing physical fitness test, we are to remember the basic terms. Basic terms such as body composition, weight, and height. The body composition term is the body's relative amount of fat to fat-free mass. The weight is the heaviness and the lightness of a person, and the height is the distance between the feet on the floor and to the top of the head. The BMI or the body mass index is presented for us to measure our body composition. The BMI result allows you to determine your body's condition, whether you are underweight, normal, overweight, or even worse, obese. As we have mentioned earlier, the physical fitness test we are going to do is designed to measure the different physical fitness components. Now, what are these physical fitness components? The physical components determines whether how a person is physically fit accordingly to its variations. Its variations includes cardiovascular, strength, agility, flexibility, speed, power, balance, coordination, and reaction time. No more of these variations. Let us go first with the cardiovascular. Cardiovascular is the ability to exercise the entire body for long periods of time. Strength, the amount of force the muscles can produce. Agility is the ability to change the body quickly. Flexibility, the ability to use the joints fully through a wide range of motion. Speed refers to the ability to perform movement or cover a distance in a short period of time. Power is the ability to release maximum force very quickly. Balance is the ability to maintain upright position while standing and moving. Coordination. This involves the ability to link variation movements together with senses. And lastly, the reaction time. It is the amount of time it takes to respond to stimulus. Now, after all that we have shown the physical fitness components, we are now to begin the execution. The first physical fitness test we have is the sit and reach. This is to test the flexibility of the inner back extremities. With the test, we got 21 inches. Next is the zipper test. Zipper test is to test the flexibility of the shoulder girdle. On the right side, we got 5 inches, and on the left side, -5 inches. The next thing we have is push-ups. This is to measure the strength of upper extremities. Next is the stick drop test. This is to measure the reaction time it takes for her to respond to stimulus. With the test, we garnered a 0.5 seconds. Lastly is the 3-minute step test. This is to measure the cardiovascular endurance. Before we went on to execution, we recorded a 60 seconds normal rate. Before and after rates, we had 73 and 111 pulse rate. Finally, we have now completed the physical fitness test. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.